hope you've been enjoying our videos that we've been doing. So did you see the video that we did last week about flat icing? Just wondered if you'd had a chance to give it a go yet, 'cause it's such a game changer, isn't it?
Yeah, hopefully you will have given it a try, and if so, let us know how you got on.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be talking about the buttercream. Now, getting the buttercream right is the most important part really when you're piping buttercream flowers. So you will find, if you're interested, our recipe on our website where we go through the exact kind of method and the recipe and how you make it. But once you have made your buttercream, today we're going to talk to you about how you store it. Okay, so you will, when you make your buttercream, you will get a batch about this size. Okay, that is one batch, and we always estimate, how many cupcakes do we estimate that?
It depends what flowers you're piping, doesn't it? So I reckon you could probably get about 15, 16 maybe, just depending on what flowers and how intricate they are.
Yeah, I think I always work to an hour. If I'm sort of working out and I've got a lot to pipe, I always kind of underestimate it a bit because I'd rather have too much. So I probably think 14 cupcakes per batch. That's how I work it out. It's not obviously an exact calculation,
no, not at all.
but if you sort of go by that, you'll know roughly. I mean, quite often I do one for luck as well. Hate to run out. It's the worst thing ever to run out. So definitely always do a bit more. But we're going to talk to you about, once you have made all your batches of buttercream and you've worked out how many you need, and perhaps you do want to make 5 batches, what do you do with it? So we're going to now, Michelle's going to show you what we recommend you do with it.
Yeah, so the great thing is with making your buttercream, you can always have some handy in the fridge. So we wrap it up, we double wrap it in cling film. So what you want to do is just get some cling film and just wrap it up. I'll double wrap it.
Well done tearing that. It normally goes a bit wrong when
I
try and do this on camera.
Makes perfect. So I'm just going to wrap this buttercream up. So whatever you've got left, don't ever throw it away, because it will always be okay once you've wrapped it in buttercream in cling film. You can either pop it in the fridge and it will last for 2 weeks, or if you think you're not going to be using it for a while, you can actually then put it in the freezer, and then that will last up to 3 months in your freezer.
Or it's the expiry date on your butter, which tends to be about 3 months.
Yeah. So the great thing is
on the packet. If
you that's what I do. So you just get a pen and you can write on the date, just so you're always aware of the date on it. I mean, depending on how much you're piping. I mean, Karen and I, we pipe a lot.
And never freeze it.
We never get to freeze it, but it is a really good tip if you want to just make up a big batch, and then you can stick some away for another day. So when people come round, you're ready to go, aren't you?
Definitely. And actually, one other thing I would like to say is, when you are making your buttercream, make it in advance and then do wrap it in cling film and leave it in the fridge, at least even if it's just overnight. It will make a really big difference in terms of just letting the air bubbles kind of settle down.
It makes a massive difference.
Yeah, so I definitely recommend making it in advance. Otherwise, when you first mix it up, you can see it's got the air in it, can't you? And we, as I say,
it comes quite fluffy.
Yeah.
And with flowers, you want it really nice and smooth.
You don't want it to be making that noise. When you pipe, it just goes. You're like, no. It needs to be nice and stiff. But definitely make it in advance and then store it, as Michelle has just explained to you. So give that a go, and hopefully you will find that helpful.
Yeah. So do subscribe to our channel, because we do lots of weekly videos with lots of different tips that Karen and I have learnt along the way, and we just love sharing them with you. So do subscribe, and we look forward to showing you the next video next week,
which is just having to think, it's about how to use your piping bags, I think.
So it's all to do
piping bags.
It's really important about how to cut the piping bag when you're putting your nozzles on, but we'll show you that next week.
Definitely.